Good afternoon, children. This is your Prashant sir. Welcome back to social class. Children, due to rain, today's online classes will be cancelled. That's why today I am sending an Excel recorder. See, children, in the previous class we have discussed about Penamakur, a village in the Krishna Delta. Penamakur, a village in the Krishna Delta. In this lesson we have learned about the delta regions, life of the people, types of crops growing of the people, understand children, and soils of the people, different kinds of people living in the village, understand children. Yes, in the last class we have discussed types of soils, rainfall and irrigation, and crops grown in Penamakur village, cyclones and floods occur in the Penamakur village. Understand children, cyclones and floods occur in the Penamakur village. Understand children, and land ownership and tenancy. We discussed vegetables are grown in the Penamakur village. Orchards means fruit bearing trees which are grown in Penamakur village. Irrigation and market and changing crops we have discussed in the last class. Land ownership and tenancy. Understand children? Yes. These all topics we have discussed for first few classes. Everybody you have an idea, you get an idea about Penamakur village. Understand children? Yes, Penamakur village is a Krishna Delta village. It is near the Bandar Canal. Understand children, and Prakasham barrage. That's why the water availabilities are very high. Understand children? We get underground water very low height. Understand children? Low depth. Understand children? Yes, that's why most of the people they are depending on agriculture. Understand children? And here there are 750 families in Penamakur village. Total how many family members in Penamakur village? 750 family members in Penamakur village. Then 10 of them have 10 acres of land. 10 families have only 10 acres of land, and approximately 150 families have below 5 acres of land, and other ones they don't have any land. Understand children? The rest have no lands. They are working as a agriculture laborers in other fields, and some of them they take land on lease. Understand children? They take land on lease from landlords. Landlords means the people who have more 10 acres of land. Landlords. Understand children? These are called landlords. And some of the people they don't have the land means they are working as agriculture laborers in the village. Understand children? Now houses of Penamakur village. Listen carefully children. Write down the main points and underline those hard words, and I will repeat this all the topics in online class also. Understand children? Just you listen carefully and underline those hard words in the textbook. Yes, see children, types of houses in Penamakur village. People of different caste and professions. People of different caste means all community people, all caste. Like some of the caste you know very well about that, BCs, SCs, OCs, these are communities, no? Like that, people of different caste and professions means that jobs, occupation of the people, different occupation of the people living in this village, Understand children? The main village is inhabited by landlords. Landlords means you know that who are landlords? landlords have more than 10 acres of land. That's why they built their houses in the middle of the village. Understand, children? The others live in the nearby areas on the banks of the river and the banks of the canal towards the south of the village. In the middle of the village, we can see some of the kiranam shops and banks, RMP doctors, medical shop, iron welding shops, and hair cutting salons and tiffin centers. You know, these all are common in each village. Like that, here also in the middle of the village, we found these all shops. Yes, children, here they are given pictures, different kinds of houses. See, children, houses of farmers, and huts. The poor people, they can build their huts on the banks of the Bandar Canal, and see houses of small farmers, they built like these houses. Yes, roads and houses, it is the middle of the village. See the buildings here we found like that. Understand, children? Yes, these are different kinds of houses in Penamakur village. Understand, children? Yes, see, children, the next one is animal rearing. Animal rearing. Yes, see, children, animal rearing in Penamakur village. All lands in the village are cultivated and there is not much land for grazing cattle because the farmers have more irrigation facilities. That's why here all the farmers, they can cultivate their lands. If there is no land for grazing, cattle. Understand, children? Because here water availabilities are very high. That's why all farmers, their lands will be cultivated, total areas of land. Just they get only some parts of the lands only get for grazing cattle. Understand, children? Hence only a few bullocks, cows, buffaloes and sheep are reared for working on the fields and for others purpose. These all they can use working on the fields, agriculture fields, and other purpose they can rear only few animals. Understand, children? How do you think would they feed the animals? How do you think they would feed the animals? Tell me how. See, children, they are taken up to some grazing lands, means grasslands, to all. Only few of them have animals, that are some of them they are reared cows, some of them they are reared bullocks for milks, sheeps for some of them they can reared sheeps. Understand, children? Like that. And next topic is weaving baskets and peg rearing and fishing. Understand, children? See, children, in the picture, one woman and one man, old man. They are weaving baskets on the banks of the river. See, on the banks of the canal. Understand, children? On the banks of the Vandar canal, here there are 15 to 20 families. 15 to 20 basket weaving families lived on the banks of the canal. Understand, children? They are migrated to this village from other village. ఎప్పుడు they can migrated from about 15 years or 20 years ago, they are migrated to this village from another village. Understand, children? Yes, migrated to this village for work purpose they are migrated. Understand, children? Yes, their main occupation is weaving baskets. Weaving baskets means making baskets and catching rats and rearing pigs. In our village also same like that. People, they can live on the banks of the rivers and the outside of the village. They can build the huts outside of the village or nearby canal areas. On the banks of the canal areas and the banks of the river areas, they can live on the banks of the canal areas or river areas, and they build their huts near the canal areas, and they can do their works, means catching rats, catching fishes. Understand, children? Catching fishes, catching rats and rearing pigs. These all families are lived outside of the village. Same like in our village also same. In your village also same. You observe children once. Understand children? Here Jagannatha and Nancharaya. Jagannatha Nancharaya settled here about 30 years ago. Jagannatha Nancharaya settled here about 30 years ago. How many years ago? One old man here settled 30 years ago. He collect date palms stands from on the banks of the canal, making baskets. He and his wife make 5 to 6 baskets. 5 to 6 baskets for a day. Understand children? See Jagannatha Nancharaya, he has settled 30 years ago on the banks of the canal for his work. Understand children? And he and his wife make 5 to 6 baskets per day. 5 to 6 baskets per day. Understand children? Yes. Listen carefully children. Yes. Daily they can make 5 to 6 baskets. Understand children? Sell them in a nearby villages. And the neighbors Katta Shivaya catches fishes from the canal and help of basket traps. Understand children? Yes, and sell them in the nearby villages. Yes, it is about that village animal raiders and catching fishes and making baskets. Understand children? Our next topic is poultry farms. Poultry farm of that village. See children, in the village there is a fully mechanized poultry farms in the village. Yes? Yes, see children, in the village there is a fully mechanized poultry farm. Fully mechanized means using labors are very less. They can use all the machines. It is known as mechanized poultry farm. Understand children? Water is supplied through the nipples and food is supplied by the conveyors. See here, the food was supplied by the conveyors. Understand children? Yes, there are about 80,000 hens. There are about 80,000 hens in this poultry. How many hens? 80,000 hens in the poultry. Understand children? Yes, see children, in this poultry farm laying 50,000 eggs. How many eggs? Laying 50,000 eggs each day. Total how many? See here 80,000 hens are there. Every day 50,000 eggs lying. Every day in 50,000 eggs are lying in the poultry farm. Understand children? These eggs are sent to Vijayawada and other states like Assam, Bihar. Understand children? Through agents. The chicken dropping is sold as fish feed to the farmers in the nearby areas. Understand children? Yes, it is the topics. Today we have to discuss the poultry farms, animal rearing, and these all topics here. Today we are discussing. We'll repeat these all topics in the online class. Listen carefully children. Today's homework is just you should write only 10 keywords. 10 keywords of this from this lesson. You should write 10 keywords and send it to my personal number. Take care. We'll meet in the next class. Bye.